Last year we committed we'll be back, and we're here, bigger and strong. Last year we were just Kenya. Today we have a region presence. Those are 2 countries outside of Kenya. We are in 7 countries. We have to get representation for those 7 countries.
I want also to take this early opportunity to call upon quite a number of our sponsors who initially they had shown interest, but along the way they stepped out, not only in WRC, Safari Rally, but even on the other sports. The government by itself cannot make it alone. So we need you. We do what we are expected of as a government, of course, to align the federations to the ideals of corporates.
Yes, now it is official. It is the